Welcome to Making Sense. If you've been here before, I want to thank you for coming back again. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome aboard. If you could do me the big favor by clicking that subscribe button down below, like, comment, and or share my video, that would be greatly appreciated. The video today is going to be a quick haul that I had received recently, whether it was picking something up at the rack stores, a couple of items that got shipped into me from different vendors, and one that I ordered from fragrance.net. Here's my latest fragrance haul. A few of these have come directly from Facebook groups, from some amazing users and or friends I've found along the way. One of them is from fragrance.net and a couple from TJ Maxx. The first one up, we have Parfums de Marly Kalan, which is this beautiful red bottle. Very heavy, very dense when you're holding this. You know you have a nice piece of glass in your hand. Ultimately, the atomizers on these are great. Spray really strong, really heavy. Look at that matte red finish. It's just gorgeous. The covers and or caps are super heavy on these. Everyone always talks about it. Tap it on the table there. It's just ridiculously loud. They snap on really tight. You can definitely pick up from the cap. It's just overall a really well designed component and or bottle. I got that in a trade with Brendan Mattheu. I don't know your name, my friend, but thank you so much. You're always a great guy on the fragrance community. The next one here is from Happyland Studios. It's called Seven, and I believe the perfumer and or creator of the brand is E.J. Wells. I'm hoping that's the right names. Supposed to be really great guy, and the fragrances are pretty cool. This is the first one I have from this house. I got this one again on a Facebook group from Paul Mate. Paul, you're always a great guy too. It's pretty amazing. If you haven't checked out these Facebook groups, you got to get in there because there's just some amazing people you meet, especially that have same and or similar likes and dislikes on the fragrance community. The next one here is from Frank Oliver. This one here was $12.99 at TJ Maxx. It's called Passion Man. It's a really, really cool fragrance, especially the bottle. It looks really nice. It's kind of cool. The cap is total crap. The cap is like a piece of tape. Barely holds onto anything. It's just not adhering at all. But the bottle's nice looking. It was only $12.99. And it's in the same wheelhouse as like Dolce & Gabbana, the one EDP, or in this case, EDT. Boss bottled Private Accord. This one right here. So you get the idea of what the fragrance is like. I'll do a review on that down the line. Just more about the details of the smell, longevity, all that kind of stuff. I know you can pick it up on fragrance.net for like $15 or $14. This one here, I was very excited to get this one in. It's either mustache or mustache, depends on how you want to say it. And I believe you titled the name of the company as Roja or Rojas. I hate saying different names in a sense. They throw you for a loop once in a while. This one here is based on, or try to mimic, I guess, this one here, Tuxedo from Yves Saint Laurent or Lauren. And ultimately, I don't want to say if it's a really good job, close job, but in the end, I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison with Mustache, Tuxedo, and probably do a Tux, since I have those three. This one here is Windsor from English Laundry. I got this at TJ Maxx. Got like a combo set, the big bottle, that bottle, and like a body wash for like $19.99. This one here is recommended by Ross Carlos from TLTG Reviews. He always talks about it. He really does like it. I get a chance. I actually sent him a message when I was at the store confirming that was one he really liked, and he definitely confirmed that. So I grabbed that one to add to my collection. Thanks, Ross, for the quick reactions. And if you haven't checked out Ross yet, he's phenomenal. He has his own awesome review channel, TLTG Reviews. Go at him. Definitely well worth it. Some great content. These other 5 little bottles down here are from an amazing Frag Comm member, Steven Anderson. Thanks, bud. These are from Boadicea the Victorious, and I haven't had a chance to test any of them out, but I'm very much looking forward to it. I hope you really enjoyed that video. If you could do me the big favor of subscribing down below, liking, commenting, and or sharing, it would be greatly appreciated. And remember, if you're making the world a better place, one spray at a time, then to me, you're just making sense. See you next time.